and first time in India, 2nd September ban, almost 19 crores industrial workers participated, and in the trade union history, this is the first time 19,000 crore लोग, 19 crore लोग, industrial workers only, I am not counting other here, participated in the ban called by all this thing. खूपशे प्रश्न आहात सध्या. म्हारगाय शीम आणि मेर नासतना वाढल्या. चवथीच्या सिजनाक जर बारीक जर विचार केलो, आम्ही खूपशे जाण दुकानांनी वचना, पण ज्या भशेन म्हारगायेचे रेट जे वाढल्यात, एसेन्शियल कॉमोडिटीज आउट ऑफ द रीच ऑफ द कॉमन मॅन. 2 सप्टेंबरा हे केल्लें स्ट्रगल, इट इज नॉट ओवर, इट वॉज जस्ट बिगिनींग. बिकॉज जे कामगार कायदे चेंज करपाक सोदतात ते कामगारां कायदे आड झूज आसा. जे मोटर व्हेकल बिल, सेफ्टी बिल आहा, अमेंडमेंट जे येतात त्या विरुद्ध झूज आसा. वन ऑफ द सक्सेस ऑफ द 2nd September is that they have put I can say not withdrawn, you cannot say even withdrawn, it is in the cold storage. The land bill is in the cold storage. As far as the Communist Party of India is concerned, 5th of October we are having again demonstration all over India. 5 October सगळे हिंदुस्तान भर Communist Party of India have given a call to come on the road against the price rise and all the other essential जो commodities आसा त्याच्या विरुद्ध. कित्याक जाल्यार कॉमन मॅन इज टोटली हेल्पलेस जाला. सो इन सपोर्ट ऑफ द कॉमन मॅन 5 ऑक्टोबराक देशव्यापी आंदोलनां जातलीं. गोवा ऑल्सो इज गोइंग टू पार्टिसिपेट ऑन दॅट 5th of October. गोंय राज्यांतल्यान आमी इमिडिएटली आफ्टर द Ganesh festival is over, that is after giving 7 days, we are going to come openly out on the road, continuous struggle on the minimum wages, continuous struggle. It won't be like आयले एक दीस demonstration केलें न्ही, and because governmentan जे promulgation notification केलां तितून they are talking of 284 rupees minimum wages, आणि 284 रुपया from 215, almost a rise of around 69 rupees. It is not possible. आम्ही जेन्ना डिमांड मागतात की मिनिमम वेजीस should be 600 per day. It is ते जेन्ना 600 रुपया मागतात ताका कितें तरी सायंटिफीक बेज आसा, आणि त्या बेजीचेर आमी 600 रुपया मागतात.